Jack and Diane. DJ Lift on your eardrum in this AM rush hour, playing the songs you need and don't even know whether you're going up or going down. This next one goes out to Cindy. It's from David. Cindy, David wants you to know he's sorry he spilled coffee on your conference reports and wants nothing more than to share an office space with you again.
I think you do great on that presentation.
Thanks.
And for the next 24 floors, it's 2 for Tuesdays, which means DJ Lift is taking your requests all right long.
Hey man, can you play something else? She's my boss.
What is this?
He asked for the boss.
No, I said she is my boss, not play the boss. I have to report to her.
Not for very much longer if you keep yelling like that, Jack.
Oh, I'm sorry, Diane. I meant no disrespect. Seriously?
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 DJ Lift bringing you the tunes whether you're going up or going down. On the air right now, I've got Jack from the 42nd floor accounting. Go on, Jack. Hello, caller, you're on the air.
Hi?
How you doing, Jack?
Not too good actually.
That's great, Jack. Where are you calling from?
As you know, we seem to be trapped.
I'm sorry, caller. I'm gonna have to ask you to turn your radio down. I'm having trouble hearing you.
I don't have a radio. I'm here on the elevator right next... Never mind. Hey man, we really need some help.
You got it, Jack. Help is on the way.
Look, I don't have time for this. I've got a client meeting in 5 minutes. Is there anyone we can call? Great. No service.
I mean, I'm really not feeling so good. I mean, it's getting like the walls are closing in. And it's really hot in here, right?
I suppose it's a little warm. Jack? 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 Are you with me, Jack? Are you alive? Jack? Jack? Are you with me, Jack? Nah, don't do this to me, Jack. I've never had to do this before. Al told her to help.
The beating of your heart. I can feel you breathe. It's washing over me. And suddenly I'm melting into you. There's nothing left to prove. Baby, all we need is just to be. Caught up in the touch. Slow and steady rush. Baby, isn't that the way to love? Loving it up when I'm going down.
Man, I love her.